I am Jason Kapit. Welcome to the OffMarket Podcast. Everyone's asking if AI is going to replace real estate agents. And here's the honest answer: it won't. But it is going to expose the ones who are always replaceable. And if your entire value as an agent is writing listing descriptions, pulling comps, and scheduling showings, well, that work's already being done faster and cheaper by technology. But here's what AI can't do: it can't sit with a family deciding whether to sell after a business exit. It can't read the room when a couple disagrees on timing. It can't help a client weigh what a move means to their kids, their finances, and their future all at the same time. That's not transactional work, that's advisory work. And no algorithm is replacing the person in the room who understands the weight of the moment. The agents who survive this aren't the ones fighting technology. They're the ones using it to go deeper on the work that actually matters. And I broke this down in detail in this week's off market brief. Links in the comments. Thanks.